In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva for TikTok. By the end, you'll create a vertical 1080 by 1920 TikTok video in Canva, export it as an MP4, and upload it to TikTok. First, open Canva. You'll see the Canva home screen with a search bar and a button in the top right. Click Create a Design. This opens the design size options so you can start with the correct format. Select TikTok video, 1080 by 1920. This sets your canvas to the vertical size TikTok expects, so your content fills the screen without black bars. Choose a template or start with a blank design. If you pick a template, it loads with pre-made layouts, fonts, and colors you can replace. If you prefer full control, choose a blank design and you'll add everything yourself. Upload your video clips or images using Uploads. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, and then click Upload Files. Select the clips or images from your computer and wait for them to finish uploading. You'll see thumbnails appear in the Uploads panel as they're ready. Drag media onto the timeline or canvas. Click and drag a clip or image onto the main canvas to place it, or down to the timeline to set the order. Arrange your clips in the sequence you want by dragging them left or right. If something doesn't fit the vertical frame, drag the corners on the canvas to resize and reposition it so the subject stays centered and clearly visible. Add text, stickers, or elements. From the left sidebar, open text to add titles, captions, or calls to action. Type your words, then adjust the font, size, color, and alignment from the toolbar. Open elements to add shapes, stickers, lines, or icons for emphasis. Keep text large and high contrast so it's easy to read on a phone screen. Apply animations or transitions. Select any text, photo, or video on the canvas, click Animate, and choose a simple in or out animation to add movement. If your video has multiple scenes, you can add transitions between them to smooth the cuts. Use subtle options so the focus stays on your content. Add music or sound effects from audio. Click Audio on the left to browse tracks and sound effects. Search by mood or style, then click a track to add it to your timeline. Position the audio to start where you want. Keep the audio relevant and make sure it supports the pace and tone of your TikTok. Preview the video. Click the play button above the timeline to watch from start to finish. Look for timing issues, cut points, and text readability. If something feels too fast or slow, make small adjustments on the timeline until the pacing matches the sound and visuals. Click Share arrow Download. Go to the top right, click Share, and choose Download to prepare your export. Select MP4 video. This is the correct format for TikTok and will include your video, animations, and audio. Confirm your choice and start the download. Wait for Canva to render and save the file to your computer. Upload the video to TikTok. Open TikTok and upload the MP4 you just exported from Canva. Add your caption, hashtags, and any in-app settings you need, then post. Your Canva TikTok video is now created, exported as an MP4, and uploaded to TikTok successfully. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.